welcome to Scicomp 2018. I'm Nishk.
I'm Tom.
And I'm Mark.
Today we'll be investigating, does the wingspan of a paper aeroplane affect how far it flies?
Our prediction is that the plane with the longest wingspan will fly the furthest.
So let's go to the house and check what happens.
The battle gets closer.
And we're at the house.
Okay guys, we're doing some paper airplanes now. Nishk and Thomas helping out, and I'm gonna do it later.
Wow, I'm on a mission now.
Paper airplane.
No destination, but it's from the shop. You gotta let me go. You gotta let me go. You gotta let me go. From wow.
I'm so sure this plane is gonna work. Let's try it out.
Okay.
Yes, boys, that's what we're doing. That's a good airplane. This one. So we have these paper airplanes, all with different wingspans.
Let's go test them outside then.
Okay. These paper airplanes. Got the tape measure. And we're gonna start this test.
Here we go, here we go. It's my
First test, A5.
6 meters, 70 centimeters.
8 meters. Now we're gonna move on. A4 paper. A4.
No! No!
Okay, we're just gonna skip right to the A3. Looks like we're making some more paper airplanes.
Wow.
7.8. Okay, we're done with the tests. We'll see you back at the lab. And we're back at the lab.
In conclusion, we found that the paper airplane with the biggest wingspan was the furthest flying. That is because the area of the wingspan is bigger, so it catches more air.
So, ways we could have improved our experiment is all the wind, because it was really windy that day.
Yeah, we could have done it in a more controlled environment with less wind.
And another one is the amount of tests. We did 3 tests each, which now we feel it wasn't enough, because all the results don't match
So
that much.
maybe 5, 6 tests.